Rob, wait up for him. We'll start off. I'll guys get you on video.
One minute. I'm adjusting my something. There we go. I've got my docking station. I just did my expo, steering expo. Ah!
Mine's in training mode, just so you know.
Okay. Alright guys. Go ahead. Go! Oh shit! Oh shit, Teddy going the wrong way. Rob's coming around turn 3. Here comes Teddy right behind him. Skidding his way around. Gets through the S alright. Uh-oh. Take your time, Teddy. You catch him. I got you. Shit. I don't know why I just did that. That hurt.
Come on, Ted.
It's alright.
You're smoking your ass, Teddy.
I know it.
Nice.
Look at me, boy. Look. Sugar Ray Leonard.
You had enough ink yet?
You remind me of that Rob, that racer that goes around the track, doesn't touch nothing.
Teddy, you mind if I take these controls over for a second? Let me see if I can do anything.
Oh, it might be Leonard. Hello? Hey, how you doing, Leonard? Just got to the field. Okay, great.
Cool. There we go.
Except for that.
Like I said, once you're trying to catch up, you make all those mental mistakes. And he's not
Awesome,
running with
too.
stock tires.
Well,
Yeah.
the one thing is I'm straight down. Look at it, battery's out.
Oh, it is?
Is it already out?
Yeah.
We got more.
That's for sure. In front seat.
Coming in for a pit stop.
Alright.
That's if we can make it to the pit.